We humans have long sought ways to invigorate our minds and bodies. From ancient rituals to modern concoctions, the quest for a cognitive edge continues. Among the most ubiquitous elixirs is coffee, a beverage enjoyed by billions daily. But coffee's effect on the brain extends far beyond mere habit. It's a fascinating journey into the realm of neuroscience. Coffee's magic lies in caffeine, a psychoactive substance that directly impacts our brain's intricate workings. Caffeine's interaction with our neural circuitry is a testament to the interconnectedness of the universe, where even the simplest actions can have profound effects on our biology. Understanding this interaction unlocks a deeper appreciation for the profound influence this everyday beverage has on our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Join me as we embark on a cosmic exploration of coffee's impact on the human brain. We'll delve into the molecular mechanisms, uncover the scientific evidence, and navigate the potential benefits and risks, ultimately revealing the delicate balance between enjoying coffee's cognitive boost and respecting its potent effects. Prepare for a captivating journey into the depths of your morning cup. Imagine your brain as a vast network of interconnected neurons, constantly buzzing with electrical and chemical signals. Throughout the day, as these neurons fire, they produce a molecule called adenosine. Adenosine acts like a diligent worker, gradually building up and binding to specific receptors on neurons. This binding triggers a calming effect, slowing down neural activity and promoting sleepiness. It's our brain's natural way of signaling that it's time to rest and recharge. Enter caffeine, a molecule with a striking resemblance to adenosine. When you sip your coffee, caffeine rushes into your bloodstream and eventually reaches your brain. Here it cunningly binds to those same adenosine receptors. But instead of activating them like adenosine does, caffeine blocks them. It's a classic case of molecular mimicry, where one molecule impersonates another to disrupt its usual function. With adenosine's calming influence effectively blocked, your neurons are free to fire more rapidly. This surge in neural activity triggers the release of other neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and norepinephrine, which further amplify alertness, focus, and energy levels. Caffeine, in essence, hijacks our brain's natural braking system, keeping us alert and engaged when we might otherwise feel tired. The most immediate and noticeable effect of caffeine is heightened alertness. Remember that surge in neural activity? That's your brain shifting gears, becoming more receptive to information and better able to focus on tasks. Studies have shown that caffeine can improve reaction time, enhance vigilance, and even boost short-term memory and cognitive function. It's no wonder coffee is a staple for students, professionals, and anyone needing a mental pick-me-up. But caffeine's effects extend beyond just sharpening our minds. It can also influence our mood. The increased dopamine activity triggered by caffeine is associated with feelings of pleasure and reward, leading to that familiar coffee high. This mood-boosting effect can make us feel more motivated, optimistic, and even less anxious in certain situations. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that caffeine's effects are dose-dependent and vary greatly between individuals. While moderate caffeine intake can provide a temporary cognitive and mood boost, excessive consumption can lead to anxiety, jitteriness, and difficulty sleeping. Additionally, regular caffeine consumption can lead to tolerance, meaning you'll need more to achieve the same effects over time. Section 4. Brew of Protection, Exploring Coffee's Health Potential. Beyond its well-known stimulating effects, coffee has emerged as a subject of intrigue in health research. Studies suggest that regular, moderate coffee consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of developing certain neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While the exact mechanisms are still being investigated, some scientists believe that coffee's antioxidants and other bioactive compounds may play a protective role. For instance, studies on Alzheimer's disease have shown that caffeine might interfere with the formation of amyloid plaques, a hallmark of the disease, in the brain. Other research suggests that caffeine's ability to block adenosine receptors could protect against the loss of dopamine-producing neurons, a key factor in Parkinson's disease. Beyond neurodegenerative diseases, some evidence suggests that coffee consumption may be linked to a lower risk of stroke. It's thought that coffee's anti-inflammatory properties and its potential to improve blood vessel function might contribute to this protective effect. However, it's important to note that correlation doesn't equal causation. More research is needed to definitively prove these potential health benefits and determine the optimal levels of coffee consumption for different individuals. Section 5. The Daily Grind: Navigating Caffeine Consumption Wisely. Given its pervasive presence in our lives, understanding how to incorporate coffee into our routines wisely is crucial. The key takeaway is moderation. While the exact definition of moderate varies depending on individual tolerance, genetics, and other factors, most experts agree that up to 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, or about 4 cups of brewed coffee, is generally safe for healthy adults. However, it's essential to be mindful of your own body's response to caffeine. If you experience anxiety, insomnia, or other negative effects, even at lower doses, it's best to reduce your intake. Adolescents, pregnant women, and individuals with certain medical conditions should also be particularly cautious about their caffeine consumption and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Remember that coffee is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to cognitive health. Prioritizing a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques are equally crucial for maintaining a healthy brain throughout life. Section 6. Coffee, Cognition, and a Balancing Act. As we've explored, coffee's impact on the brain is a complex and fascinating interplay of molecular mechanisms, individual variations, and potential health implications. While that morning cup of coffee can provide a welcome boost to our alertness, focus, and even mood, it's essential to approach caffeine consumption with a balanced perspective. Moderation is key. Enjoying coffee as part of a healthy lifestyle can be a delightful ritual and offer potential cognitive benefits. However, excessive consumption can lead to unwanted side effects and even health risks. Just as with any powerful substance, respecting coffee's potency and listening to your body's signals are essential for reaping its rewards without succumbing to its potential downsides. So, the next time you savor that cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance occurring within your brain. From adenosine receptors to dopamine surges, the science behind coffee's effects is a testament to the wonders of our universe, both big and small. Drink responsibly, savor the experience, and keep your mind open to the endless possibilities that lie within each cup.